In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can book a ride on the Uber app. Now, if you have not yet downloaded the app, you can get it from the App Store or Play Store. And once you register with your email address, your phone number, and your name, then once you're in the app and show you on the Rides tab, then you can select where to. By default, it will show your pickup location, and then you select where you want to go to. So let's say this address here, right? Once you select your destination address, it will show you the list of ride options that are available. So you have the UberX, which is the most reasonable. Then you have Comfort, which costs a little bit more. And if you want a larger ride to carry like luggages, then you go with Uber XL, which is a little bit larger, right? Once you select the ride of your choice, then you select choose UberX in this case. And then here, all you need to do is confirm your pickup spot and then request ride. Once you request the ride, it will send out a notification to the drivers, and an available driver will pick up your ride request, and then you'll see the car start moving to you. If your card is not linked, you'll be asked to link your card. Once the ride is complete, your card will be charged. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.